Hi folks, Russell Wright from ThemeZoom.com, and here's a quick two-part video, less than 10 minutes, that shows you how to plan your long-term article strategy using the last keyword tool in Kraken, which is ThemeZoom's natural language processing technology, and how you can swallow your market whole over time, one piece at a time, using blog posts. What you're going to do is you're going to do your keyword research first, either using TLKT or Kraken or both, depending upon your level of membership. You're going to plan out some blog posts, which you've probably already done if you're writing on a blog regularly. You never want to publish your blog post through your submityourarticle.com network. You do want to change it and be a really good writer. Pat yourself on the back, take a deep breath, and go ahead and rewrite the article in Word. Don't copy your article from your blog post, but go ahead and make some changes. You're going to understand how powerful it is to do that and why it's worth the time to do it once you start using submityourarticle.com. You rewrite your blog post carefully, make sure there's no similarities in the article, and what you do is you just create an outline of the blog post with the main topics. Then you're going to move over to submityourarticle.com as a monthly member of submityourarticle.com. You're going to go ahead and rewrite it. Once it's rewritten on Word, not even looking at your previous blog post, you're going to insert that and run it through the process that I showed you in video 2. And you're also going to use Article Leverage, which is a mini application inside of submityourarticle.com, which will help you create, if you have patience, up to 5 or 10 completely unique versions of the article that can be trickled out onto the internet over time to the 8 major ezine article and article services that are available on the web. All you have to do when you're done is click submit when you're signed up for those, and gradually over time, by publishing anywhere from 5 to 10 articles, you'll be able to drip expert articles out over the internet on automatic. The first part is to plan your long-term strategy by using Kraken or the last keyword tool. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and open up a blog post and show you what I've done. You can see that we plan our blog posts way in advance. Sometimes they're planned on keyword research. In fact, we know our keyword research categories very, very well because we've done our top-level vertical market research using Kraken. Therefore, we understand the top keywords and always try to include them. Now, you can zoom into some of those mini keywords and look at the articles and plan those in advance. And I pull these off of a spreadsheet and I try to focus on my major top-level themes based on surveying as well as keyword research. In the second video, I show you how I rewrote the article "Everything is a Painkiller" in order to come up with a new version for submityourarticle.com. But before I plan a month or even 3 months worth of articles, I first use the last keyword tool to look at the conversations using advanced language processing. I can't do that with any other keyword research tools. So I go ahead and create a new keyword project. I already know that market research is something that Sue and I have decided to really focus on, market research, as well as keyword research. These are part of our main top-level themes. I queued that project, and then go back and get a cup of coffee and come back in 5 minutes. Actually, probably only 2 minutes. I'm saying that because I don't want Kelly to think that I think his application is slow. Remember, it's scraping things in real time, and it'll be going out to hundreds of different locations to pull back the correct keywords and then running an advanced language semantic analysis process, LSI, Bayes, and a variety of other different ones, coming back with an amazing keyword relationship that I can sort based on my needs. When it's done drilling, just click into the keyword. It has 282 of the most important keywords on the web tied to it, all distilled down with natural language processing. You can watch the project load, and this is automatically sorted in a hierarchical order using our Bayes and LSI algorithm, and there's no other keyword tool on the market that has this. It's very expensive to build, and it talks about the conversation in the order of hierarchy of relationship that is the most important to the top level theme. That's the key. That's what makes this so much different than a keyword research tool. And I'm going to show you how I support and build a theme. Apply a filter, and this filter is actually going to be called long tail. Go for the drop down menu and put interesting long tails, which is my favorite one. Apply this filter. And these are most of the topics that I would like to write about for the title of articles in my blog for the next month.